Hi. One of the things that we often get asked is, how can I integrate social media into my booking flow? Well, there's, kind of the typical answer is we can always put it in your email confirmation that goes out to the customer. But some people really want to have it involved, in the sales process or after the sales process. Now, we can always put in social media links at the bottom of your web activity pages as well, but that's really not necessarily totally effective. So what we put together here for you is showing you how you can use RezSystem and at the end of a booking have it redirect to your website where you can have a social media landing page. And this is also great for Google Analytics because, as you probably know, RezSystem allows you to track your Google Analytics, and we can even track what we call completed sales. But having a landing page where customers go at the end of a transaction really makes sure that that data is really solid for you as well. But let me go ahead and walk you through a process. So let's say we have a customer here who wants to choose one adult. Actually, we're going to go ahead and I got to make sure I get an odd number. 2 adults and 1 child. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. It's then obviously the same booking process that you're always seeing. I'm going to go ahead and choose my date. I'm going to go ahead and choose my time. And then I'm going to get my basket. It tells me my total is $87. Next thing that's going to happen is customer is going to put in their email address, name and email address and telephone number. Once they get to credit card payment, again, all of this is similar to what you've seen before. Guest puts in their credit card number and they hit pay now. Now, traditionally what happens is at the end of the pay now, this little box comes up and says, okay, your order number is, 87 or whatever it is. But you'll get that box and it'll sit there for 2 or 3 seconds and then it's going to redirect. So you're going to notice I only have 2 tabs that are open here. And I'll actually go ahead and even close this one. This tab will then redirect what would be back to your website. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit pay now. It's going to process in real time. It's going to give me my little completed booking page. Your booking has been made. I'm booking number 89 and it redirects to this page. And so this was just a page we put together on our website, but it can redirect to any page you want on yours. And so with that, what we did was we then created a few little social sharing links that happen on here. And this is just a really simple little plugin that happens on WordPress. And so if I click on, Twitter, it's going to say, hey, share this with your followers. But the cool part about this plugin is you can determine what content you want to put in here. And we just said, just put the page. But you can put any information you want in that little, popover link so that when people share it, so it might be, hey, I just purchased tickets for fill in the blank. And you could share it on there as well. So this gives you a way to control it. And obviously this is just a really generic, boring page, but you can fill it with anything you want and then the links that go across the bottom as well. So I think between this, doing some things on the web activity page and putting it in your email confirmations is a great way to kind of up your social media game using RezSystem.